Hey Jammers, Prince Forever 7 here, and I'm going to do the Return of the Phantoms hard. So, I'm going to get all the chests because I need to buy something for my plushie store. And sorry for that noise, my dad's watching TV. So, three corks left, left the phantom pipes. So, I'm now finding. So guys, sorry for that. I'm just saying to my dad that he just lost the sound of our TV, so I falling to sleep. So use well water to revive 10, 9 more, 7. So if you watch my Return of the Phantoms, so there's a secret chest in here. Maybe it's 100 gems or 300 gems. So I got 400. That's good. Because I need 1000 because I will buy something. Because for my plushie store and go to the bunny burrow, find the key, open the pen. So and wait, there's a chest there. I'm going to get it. Maybe it's just 30 gems or 50. It's 100 gems. So my guess is wrong. So we are now opening the Arctic Wolf Gate. So let's find out what I'm going to get. So let's see. I will close my eye. 1, 2, 3. Oh, what did I get? Oh, butterfly wings. Sorry for that noise. So I'm going to continue the adventure. So I got 300 gems. That's nice. So there's 10. And I got Sting. Sorry for that, my dad's here. Okay, so I'm sorry for the silence because my dad here is going to talk. So I'm going to no, just don't. So where's the last? It's maybe in here. It's here, right? But I cannot hold it for long. See, told you. Two keys left. He's going to be the bait. It's in here. Get it. Oh, I mean she get it. So let's run. He got so the last key and ouch. And last key. Where's the last key? It's in here. So let's see, I'm going to choose this. Oh, so I found 750 gems, not 9. Oh, I better run before I go to the portal. No, I'm just going to leave. So for that, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like it. please comment, like below, and check out my upcoming videos. So bye guys.